How long will a hair system last? I know what you're thinking. When will I need a new one? Well, it depends. It depends on the base, how well you take care of the unit, and your day-to-day routine. But as a rule, thin skin units last up to 5 weeks. Regular skin units and all French lace base hair system will last up to 3 months. Then you have your welded lace hair systems. Those could last up to 4 months. And last, you have your fine welded mono. Those are the most durable and they could last up to 6 months. Yes, you will only need 2 hair systems per year. So better tip I can give you today, take care of your hair system. Go to your maintenance appointment every 2 to 4 weeks and have a great day-to-day at-home routine. Are hair systems hard to maintain? Well, the answer is not, but you need to learn how to take care of them. It's just like everything in life. Once you have a routine, it will become easier. Some at-home routine might include cleaning, washing, drying, styling your hair system, and also applying some glue or tape in the hairline area, which is perfectly fine. The key is to have a great at-home maintenance routine for your hair system. And once you get used to it, life will be easier. What age can I start wearing a hair system? There is no perfect age in anything in life, including a hair system. Some people start in their 20s when they're seeing some hair loss or a receding hairline, while others start later on in life. The right time is whenever hair loss is affecting your confidence, who you are, or just simply getting tired of losing your hair. So if you've been thinking of wearing a hair system, this is your sign. Just do it. Tape or glue, which one is better? Tape is great for those who prefer easy cleanup, quick maintenance, and who like to take their hair system off more often. And it's actually great for beginners. Glue is great for those looking for a stronger hold if you work out or sweat a lot, and for those who are looking for an exposed hairline that definitely looks more natural. Most people use a combination of both. Which one is better, tape or glue? It's just a matter of preference. It depends on your skin, your daily routine, and your preferences in life.